Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to read or how to prepare shop drawings for a specific job. Now, in this example, I'm going to show you one that we're just going to do a water heater. They have asked us to do it. So, first, let me just delete all those emails, and all those things to make it easier. 1 second. So, I'm going to go. So this the job is 367 Spadina. So assumingly that every single folder is in a specific folder, you will have to download. For example, I'm going to show you. I did something last year, and that was LCBO. So you will always find this information either in the drawing or in the specifications. Okay, always remember drawing first. If you don't find it here, we go into specifications. So there's always two documents for every single job. If it's a big job, if it's a small job, you'll only have one document, which is the drawing. Now in this one, we are going to get the information from the drawing. So the job is 367 Spadina. This is the thing. It's not labeled right because for me, but going forward, we'll put every single folder. So here I'm going to click on this. I open the folder. Now we are looking for plumbing. So this is not plumbing. Here's the information you look for. It's called legends, and this is all the codes for everything which we understand. So we're gonna pass on to it. Now when you look for the specs, if I tell you I need the shop drawings for this, the proper way to do this is look for the mechanical specs in the drawings. If there's no separate one like I discussed, so I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna now I see that it's again duct layout. I'm gonna look in this area right here. I'm gonna keep going down, and now I can see that I can see plumbing plans here. So, but I don't see any numbers or anything on it. The water heater that we're looking for will be somewhere on the 6th floor or right here. So you can see this is the water heater that I'm looking for. It's called hot water 2. If I zoom in, it's hot water 2. So I'm gonna look for the hot water 2 in the legend. So I'm gonna now usually it's always either before the plumbing job starts or after. Now here is the equipment ones, right? Now I'm just gonna show you. This is the water heater, and I'm gonna remember this page is M13. So I'm gonna go down, and now here I see some numbers written, everything. So this is something that I need for now when it comes to shop drawings. Mechanical specs, ductwork, refrigeration. So this page is about mechanical ductwork. We are plumbing, so we're gonna bypass this, skip it. Now I see plumbing right here. So this is where it's important to us. Now I'm gonna start reading for this. Now I know I'm looking for a water heater. Okay, so I'm gonna come here in the plumbing section, and I'm gonna look down, and I can see sprinkler, gas. This is this. Nothing in here. Now I can see here, but I'm gonna go from the top. I'm gonna check this section now. I'm gonna look for it. I don't see anything that shows me that these are plumbing fixtures. When I come down, I see the plumbing fixtures here. And now this is how you start. So for example, if I want you to create a shop drawing for this, now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do this. This first video was how to set up and look for just one specific shop drawing. Okay, so in the next video I'll be a little bit more detailed. I'll show you how to find everything. For example, we'll come back to this. Right now we're looking for the water heater. I see toilet number 1, water closet number 2. Then I go back up here. I see water closet number 3, lav sink 1, lav sink 2. W means water closets, L means lav sink, laboratory sink, and S means stainless steel kitchen sink. So so this is how you know it's a sink. This is also a sink, but this is for the kitchen or a counter. This is for the washrooms. So that's how you differentiate. Now there's a couple of sinks in this 6-story building. So we have L2, S2. We're gonna eliminate. Not eliminate, bypass this. We're looking for the heater. Again, sink, sink, janitor sink, JS, janitor sink. There is also called service sink, floor drains, funnel floor drains, primer box, water handling arrestor, eye wash station. So we did not find anything, and this is the last page. So we did not find any water heater in here. Now usually it's there, but very seldomly they will put it in the equipment section. This is for the heating, boilers and stuff like that. So I was lucky enough when I was going through this, I found out the water heater too. This is the area HW2.c gas-fired domestic water heater. A.O. Smith, this is the model number. So what you do is you look for the model number what they give, which BTH-150. So that's what it is. Now if I look for this item here, and I'm going to show you how I get it. It's very easy. You just go in here, you write BTH-100, the 150, and then you gotta enter PDF. When you enter PDF, it will go like this. You click on this, it will then open you a page this way, which I think it did over here. So it's similar page, right? Now I'll download it. Once I download it, now it's here. Now what we do is we look for, there's a couple of them here, but we're looking for BTH1 here. So what you gotta do is you gotta highlight it, right? How I highlighted it, and see if there's any more specs here. So again, here I'm gonna go for this, highlight this, because it's gallon and liter. They talked about it in gallons, 150 gallon. Sorry, let's confirm that. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our drawing, and I'm gonna highlight this just so that it's easier for you to see. If I can highlight it, I don't think I can at this point. Anyways, we'll work on that. It says input 150 ml 100 US gallons. So you see how it gives me that information. So I'm looking for that information, kits, this, and why these are all important, because when you go, I'm going to show you in the toilet section, but for now the information I see is BTH 150A, which we have, and 100 gallon, which we confirmed, which is right here. I go here, so I'll go back here. This is done 100 gallon. I do that. I do this. I don't need to do this because I don't see 150 here. I see 150 here, natural gas. I don't need to really do that because I've done it already in 2 places. So what I'll do is, have I highlighted it? No. So I gotta let's see if I can download this, and let's go here. Let's make a section called shop drawings. It's called SHOPDRAW shop drawings, and now I'm going to write BTH-150HWT.2 opens here, which is good, but I still don't see where I can do my editing for some reason. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to close this. I'm going to go here. I'm going to open this, and I'm going to open this in Adobe. This is more better for me. I'm more used to this, so you can see I can clearly start highlighting everything. So I'm going to go back here, right? I'm going to look for this, and I'm just gonna highlight it here, go down, highlight this. This highlighting is for the engineers who are watching what you are highlighting, so they can then know that this is exactly what you're going to provide. Now after highlighting, I'm going to say save. It's going to save. I'm just going to do a save as, just show you, and I'm going to go in shop drawings, Medina, and I'm going to save it on top of it. So that is done. Now what I'll do is I'll just go back. I'll click on to make sure that things are highlighted. Let me just turn this off. I'll go back here. I'll turn it back on, and they are highlighted. So this is how you make a shop drawing for one item.